Hi, Shayla with WTI, and I want to show you why this tub drain kit is so exciting for me. This Anpean brass bathtub drain kit is so nice. We have it in the matte black, which is exactly what we were needing, and it's a simple lift and turn bathtub drain stopper with the faceplate for the overflow. And I love the way it looks. It's beautiful. Like I said, just what we needed in matte black. We are slowly changing out all of our fixtures in the restroom, so this was just perfect. And you can see that this brass is just such high quality. My husband was really impressed with it. It has two different sizes actually, so that way you can fit whatever size you need. It is a lead-free, non-toxic, anti-corrosion, and very durable drain, so I don't have to worry about it not having the functionality, but like I said, very high quality. It's just the lift and drain, and my husband installed it for us, and he was very impressed at the ease of installation. Very simple, easy kit to take care of. It comes with everything you need, and like I said, look at it. It just looks so beautiful. Best part is we filled up the bath and it did the job. It definitely held the water, and when it was time to drain, there was absolutely no issues. And so overall, we were extremely happy with it. I love not only how well it works and how high quality it is, but it just looks incredible. So whether you are installing or replacing a bathtub drain, this Anpean drain kit is definitely the one you want, and that is my point of view.